our human heart functioning continuously without rest. During the function of our heart, many activities are takes place in cyclic manner. Cardiac musculature are contracted and relaxed. Heart emptying takes place. Filling also takes place. The valves of the heart are closed and opened. During this activity, some sounds are produced. These sounds are called heart sounds. The heart sounds are produced during cardiac activity can auscultated by stethoscope itself. I am Dr. Ramesh Kumar. This is Rover Physio Test and Treat. There are 4 types of heart sounds are there. First heart sound, second heart sound, third heart sound and fourth heart sound. In this, first and second heart sounds are heard by the help of stethoscope on chest wall. In this video, we can see the auscultation of heart sound in the auscultatory areas. For the auscultation of heart sound, there are 4 areas are there. They are aortic area, pulmonary area, tricuspid area and mitral or bicuspid area. In aortic area, the activities of semilunar valve of aorta can hear. In pulmonary area, activities of semilunar valve of pulmonary trunk can hear. In tricuspid area, the activities of tricuspid valve can hear. In mitral area, activities of mitral valve can hear. In this auscultatory area, we can hear first and second heart sounds of lub and dub, and also some cardiac murmurs are heard in case of any abnormalities of heart. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.